Service mode in the Tesla Model 3 is a specialized diagnostic and maintenance tool primarily designed for Tesla technicians. It provides access to advanced diagnostics, calibrations, and software updates. While not officially intended for consumer use, owners can access it for troubleshooting purposes, such as checking error codes or resetting systems. However, Tesla has tightened access controls to prevent misuse, and entering service mode could potentially void warranties or cause malfunctions. As of January 2026, newer models may require a Tesla account PIN or biometric authentication. To enable service mode on older Model 3s from pre-2024, start by tapping the car icon on the touchscreen. Then select the service option. Press and hold the service icon while simultaneously pressing the brake pedal and turning on the vehicle. This activates the diagnostic interface. Remember, Tesla may change these steps through over-the-air updates, so always refer to the current Tesla manual. For newer Model 3 refresh models from 2024 and later, start by using your key fob to wake the vehicle. Once the car is awake, access the touchscreen and navigate to the service option in the car's settings. When prompted, enter your 4-digit Tesla account PIN using the touchscreen interface. This added security measure, which may also include biometric authentication, helps prevent unauthorized access to service mode. Once in service mode, navigate the menus carefully. You can run diagnostics like ABS or autopilot checks. Avoid modifying core systems without expertise, as this can trigger safety overrides. Service mode overrides some safety protocols, so always park on a safe, level surface. Always park on a safe, level surface. If performing physical work, disconnect high-voltage systems. A rising trend is integration with Tesla's app for remote diagnostics. To exit service mode safely, first locate the exit button on the touchscreen. Hold the exit button for 5 seconds. Then restart the vehicle normally. After restarting, confirm all systems are operational. Improper exit can lead to persistent error codes, like service mode active, requiring a full reboot or visit to Tesla service. Misusing service mode can lead to several issues. Improper modifications can trigger safety overrides, cause system malfunctions, or even void your warranty. Common mistakes include mishandling exit procedures, causing touchscreen glitches, or attempting to modify core systems without sufficient knowledge. Always adhere to documented procedures and seek professional help when unsure. In 2025, a Tesla Model 3 owner in California encountered range inaccuracies after a software update caused a faulty battery sensor. Using service mode, they recalibrated the sensor themselves, saving $500 in dealership fees and avoiding a service visit. In a 2024 UK incident, after a minor collision, a Model 3 owner used service mode to check airbag sensors. The diagnostics revealed a misaligned sensor, allowing them to schedule repairs preemptively and reduce potential follow-up issues by 20%. However, a 2026 cautionary example from online forums shows a user who improperly exited service mode, causing persistent touchscreen glitches. The vehicle required a full factory reset, highlighting the risks of not following safe exit procedures. These real-world examples demonstrate service mode's potential to save time and money when used correctly, but also underscore the risks of improper handling, which can lead to costly repairs. Experts warn that service mode is powerful but risky without training. Some estimate self-diagnosing most Tesla repairs via service mode is possible with guides, cutting costs. Future trends include virtualizing service mode with AR glasses and AI-assisted diagnostics. However, critics warn of safety risks if overused, recommending professional intervention for complex issues. Always cross-reference information with the latest Tesla manual.